In 2026, some people are making more money with AI tools than they ever made at a real job. And the craziest part? Most of them started with zero experience, no degree, no coding, no office, just a laptop, Wi-Fi, and curiosity. 3 years ago, AI felt complicated. But now, AI tools do most of the hard work for you. People are using AI to write content, edit videos, design thumbnails, build websites, even automate businesses. And beginners? They're turning simple AI skills into real income. One beginner used AI to create TikTok scripts and made his first $500 online. Another person started making faceless YouTube videos without showing their face even once. And someone else? They built AI-generated websites for small businesses using drag-and-drop tools. The opportunity isn't coming in the future anymore. It's already here. But most people still ignore it because they think AI will replace me. But smart beginners realize something important. AI doesn't replace people. People using AI replace people who don't. That single realization changed everything. So beginners started learning tiny AI skills, not for years, just a few hours. And suddenly, small online gigs started appearing. A thumbnail design here, a script writing project there. Then came the bigger realization. AI doesn't just save time, it multiplies output. One person with AI can now do the work of an entire team. That's why solo creators are exploding online right now. They're building faceless channels, AI blogs, digital products, automation agencies, and some of them are making more than traditional jobs. But here's the truth nobody tells beginners. The money doesn't come from AI itself. The money comes from solving problems faster. Businesses don't care how you do it. They care about results. That's why AI beginners are winning. Because they move fast, while everyone else overthinks. And honestly, most AI tools are ridiculously easy now. You type one idea, AI expands it into content. You upload a rough video, AI edits it automatically. You describe a website, AI builds the layout. This is why 2026 feels different. For the first time ever, one beginner can compete with professionals. Not because they're smarter, but because AI removes the barriers. No expensive equipment, no giant office, no massive team, just creativity, consistency, and AI. And the biggest winners? They started before feeling ready. Because waiting too long is becoming the biggest risk now. The internet is changing again, and AI creators are building the next generation of businesses. Some are building audiences, some are building income streams, and some are quietly changing their entire lives, all because they decided to learn one skill. That's the crazy part. Most beginners don't fail because AI is hard. They fail because they never start. Meanwhile, the people who started messy are already improving. That's how online income actually works. Small skills, small projects, small wins, until suddenly your entire life looks different. And maybe this video becomes the moment you started. In 2026, AI isn't just another tech trend anymore. It's the biggest opportunity beginners have seen in years. The people winning right now, they didn't wait to become experts. They simply started.